Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57 5G and let me show you how to change wallpaper. So at first enroll the settings, then find and select wallpaper and style and mark change wallpapers. Now pick the picture that you want to cover your screen with. As you can see, you can either pick something from your own gallery, you can pick one from featured wallpapers here. You can pick one from Graphical, Color. You can open wallpaper services and choose something from this palette, but I'll go with this picture, this one, the Graphical. Wakey. Not sure if the network connection is strong enough. Okay, let me try with another one, maybe with some featured. Okay, so I'll go with this dynamic wallpaper as it is already downloaded. If you do have your network like properly strong, it would be downloaded immediately, but I'll go with this one not to waste your time. Tap on done then, and as you can see, this brand new wallpaper is already set. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.